This is Orchard Ridge Apartments with your virtual tour of our brand new renovated first floor Baldwin, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 924 square feet. So to start off, right when you walk in, you do have a nice closet that goes back underneath the stairwell of the neighbors above. Coat closet. You have your full-size washer and dryer with a little extra storage area, conveniently located. And the last closet on this side here is your AC HVAC. Water heater, AC HVAC, all in one utility closet. So all these are right in when you come in, conveniently located on the right side. Kitchen here, as you see some of our brand new renovations, we do have the new tall white cabinets with black handles, some floating shelves. This does have all the renovations, granite countertop, brand new stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, deeper sink with a food disposal and gooseneck. And the appliances here, dishwasher, stove with electric flat top range, built-in microwave, and then you do have the refrigerator with the freezer at the bottom. Now as you walk through, it opens up to this very big living room. Over in this living room, this is an area right here. You'd be looking to put a little dining table nook. And as we turn back towards the kitchen, you can see the breakfast bar there with the pendant lighting where you can put some stools down. As we walk back through, we'll go to the bathroom. See some of the nice vessel sinks, some of the modern upgrades. This does have a little linen closet. As we head back over to the bedroom, this can fit a king-size bed. Not a whole lot of room after that, but a queen fits a little nicer. Nice big windows in here, and then this has a big walk-in closet. So plenty of space, extra closet space. And then through the living room, another huge window, give you some nice views and a lot of light. We're actually going to head to the back patio. So back patio area here. See some other of our views. But this does have your own private storage. Now, this is about 3.5 by 5 and 9 foot high. So stacked tubs full of stuff, 9 feet high. Please reach out to us, 610-970-6425. If you're interested in this brand new renovation. You can also email us at orchardridge@high, that's HIGH.net. Thank you and have a great day.